Okay, you're going to start learning how to do Excel. First thing you need to do is go right-click on the window down at the bottom of your screen, and then go to File Explorer and find your name, and then click on that, and you're basically going to go to the same place where you had all your Word stuff, but now there is a place for Excel. So go there, find Excel, double click on it, and then double click where it says Chapter 1, and you should have a folder named Student Data Files, and then you're going to create a folder that says Completed Lessons. And the way you do that is you just go up here to New Folder, click on it, name it Completed Lessons, and that's all you have to do for now. Now, double click on Student Data Files, and we are on page E1-17 in your workbook, Pause and Practice Excel 1-1, and you need the file that's named Paradise Lakes 01. So find that. So double click on Paradise Lakes-01 to open it, and that opens Excel. If a message comes up here, just click on it. All right, now that Excel is open on your computer, go down to the icon in the bottom, right-click on it, and choose Pin to Taskbar. That way it'll always be there when you open your computer, or when you log in. So the first thing you're going to do is, if you got a message that says Enable Editing, you click Yes, or then you are going to resave the workbook with a new name. So you go to File, Save As, and then you need to browse to the correct place for it. So click Browse, and it should open you right back up, probably in your student data files. So just click up here to Chapter 1, go to your Completed Lessons folder, and you're going to name it your initials, space PP space E1-1, and then click Save. All right, make sure that it has the correct name up at the top, and then you can go on to the rest of it. So what you're going to do is, the way locations are identified in Excel is by word and column, Excel row and column, sorry, and rows go across and columns go up and down. If you think of a column in a building that goes up and down and holds up the roof for the second floor, that's a column, up and down. So this right here is A1 because it's column A and it's row 1. So this is A1. Click on that, and you're going to type Paradise Lakes Resort. Paradise Lakes Resort. And then press Enter. And then you're going to click cell A10. So here's A, and you go down to 10. And it's the cell below where it says Apparel, and type the word Total. Enter. And then you can look on your sheet, you can see they want you to type some values. So the values are going to be, this is called a range, cells G5 to H9. So you go to column G and row row 5, and type those numbers, and then you're going to go and do column H and type the numbers that they give you for column H as well. Pause the video while you do your typing. Now I'm back. I've done all my typing, and hopefully you have too. The next thing we're going to do is step 4, use the fill handle to complete a series. So you click on cell B4, so here's B4, it's where it says Sunday, and the fill handle is this little tiny square in the lower right hand corner. You're going to go there until your cursor becomes a plus sign, click, and then pull it across the rest of the row, and it fills in the rest of the days of the week. Now they want you to go to B10, which is right here, and hit your delete button to remove the contents. Then double click on cell A4, so A4, double click it, and that starts edit mode. And you're going to purposely create a spelling error. So you're going to delete the I in categories. So click next to it, backspace, press enter. Okay, so I should say categories. Now go to A9, which is the one that says apparel. Double click that, and you're going to delete one of the P's. Again, you're creating an intentional spelling error. So click enter. Now you're going to select a range of cells, A5 to A9. So click on A5, hold your button down and go to A9. So now they all have like a border around them. You're going to click the increase indent button twice. So that's on the home tab in the alignment group, which is right here. And it's this one with the arrow pointing to the right, increase indent. Click that twice and it moves all the words over. Then you're going to click cells B4 to H4. So it's all your days of the week. And you're going to align them center. So it's home tab, alignment group, and it's this one right here, center. All right, now you're going to do some cutting and pasting. So you're going to select cells B4 to B9, B4 to B9, and you're going to click the cut button, which is on your home tab in the clipboard group. So it's the scissors. Then go over to cell I4, right over here, and click the paste button, which is still in the home tab clipboard group. The paste is right here. All right, and it moved Sunday and all the data below it over to column I. Now select cells C4 to I9, so it's all of these. Point to any of the borders that appeared until you have a 4-pointed arrow. Click, click and then drag to the left, and that moved everything over so that your days of the week start at B4. It moved all of this stuff over. All right, now click cell A1, and that signifies that you're finished with the lesson. And then you can save it either by using this little icon up here, or file, save, or you can just press Control S, and it's saved to the place that you had already signified.